closed. Spark plugs are changed. I'm just waiting on the petcock. Then I can rebuild the tank. But I'm just running them up to see what he's like once he gets proper warm. You can probably hear the chain a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to free off the adjuster for the chain. Hopefully that will take away just that little bit of chain noise within the engine there. I know they got a tendency to seize the adjusters because they're a self-adjuster. I remember replacing mine on the 750 Zephyr that I had. Very similar to this. I put a manual adjuster on just to take away that chain slap noise. But I think once he gets warm and that starts warming itself right through, it'll soon improve. It'll just get better and better over time. Very nice, very clean burn. Just let him warm up now. Ticking over lovely.